Oh, can you guys hear me? Okay, so welcome back. And happy Friday. If you guys are watching this on Friday, and happy May. I miss you all so much. And today on lesson A83 on your Saxon, we're going to be working with cross products. Um, and you guys are all pretty familiar with this. We're just going to take this to the next level. So let's go ahead and put example one, right? So x plus 3 over x is equal to 3. And I'm going to go ahead and put the steps right here that we're doing. Oh, I don't even know how to spell steps. No, no. Okay. So first what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Cross multiply. Okay. So we'll put this right here. First step, we're going to cross multiply. Okay, so x plus 3 times 2, or maybe I shouldn't put the x like that. Times 2 is equal to 3 times x. Okay, so then, well, we have to distribute this to here and here. So we have to distribute 2. So 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3 is 6, so and then 3 times x is 3x. Okay, and then after that, we're gonna combine like terms. By subtracting 2x. Okay, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. So we're gonna subtract 2x just to have 1x. So and then we have 6 is equal to x. That's it, right here. Okay, so and then after that we can put this over here. Should I put that over here? Yes. We can solve or check solution. That's what I meant to say. Check the solution. So then I just put so x is equal to 6 when our question is x plus 3 over x is equal to 3 over 2. So then we just plug in 6 where x is. So then, so 6 plus 3 over 6 is equal to 3 halves. Well, then 6 plus 3 is 9 over 6 is equal to 3 halves. Well, we can reduce this 9, 6, and we can divide it by 3 on both sides. So 3 divided by 9 is 3. 3 divided by 6 is 2. Or 6 divided by 3, I should say. And those are true. Let's go ahead and take a look at another example. Take a look at it down here. And it says solve for x, so we're going to do the same thing. So x plus 1 over 7 is equal to x over 6. So first thing first, we're going to cross multiply, remember? So I'm going to go ahead and do it on this side right here. So x plus 1 times 6 is equal to 7 times x. So distribute. So and then 6x plus 6 is equal to 7x. Now I'm going to subtract 6x on this side. And 6 is equal to, oh, we have x is equal to 6 again. Okay, so we can check the solution. So I'm going to put it over here. Check solution. You should always check your solution in case it's correct. Or you did something wrong maybe. So our was x plus 1 over 7 is equal to x plus 6. Okay, so when x is equal to 6, we're just going to plug in. So 6 plus 1 over 7 is equal to 6 over 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Over 7 is equal to 6 over 6. Okay, what is 7 divided by 7? 1. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So that's correct. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at an example from your lesson. I'm gonna put this right here, lesson practice. Okay, so one of your lesson practices, number 8, says solve and check. So what we did the same thing again. So 3x over 4x plus 1 is equal to 2/3. So the first thing is we're going to cross multiply. So we have 3x times 3 is equal to 2 times 4x plus 1. Okay, so now we just multiply. So 3x times 3, which is 9x, is equal to, now we distribute. 2 times 4x is 8x, times 2 times 1, or plus times positive 1, is, not like that, 2. So then after that, we're just going to want to get 1x. So I'm going to subtract the 8x. So 9x times 8x, which is x, is equal to 2. So we can check our solution again. Okay, so our solution, when it was 3x over 4x plus 1, 2 over 3. When x is equal to 2. So 3 times 2, 4, 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 over 3. So now we have to see if this is correct. So 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. And plus 1 is equal to 2/3. So now we're just going to simplify this. So we have 6 over 9 is equal to 2/3. If we reduce this, so doing the same thing, I can divide or take out a 3. I can take out a 3. 6 divided by, because 3 goes into both of these. 3 goes into both. So if I take out a 3, so 6 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. Those are correct. Okay. Now go ahead and solve the lesson practice and the written practice that are similar to these questions that we just solved together.